Hi everyone. In this video, we want to understand how to derive the Casimir force formula. So here is a recap of our lessons. Now we know thermal equilibrium, evanescence and propagation waves, reflection in three media, and Maxwell's tensor. So we are ready. The system consists of two bodies in vacuum in equilibrium. So the force acting on body 1 is calculated by decomposing into three cases. And for the first case, body 1 is regarded as a source and body 2 is regarded as an object. So there are contributions of evanescence and propagation waves at boundary A and the contribution of propagation at boundary B. For the second case, body 2 is regarded as a source, and for the third case, the environment is a source. So summing up these force components in equation 1, we obtain the Casimir force formula in equation 2, including the propagation and evanescent wave contributions in equation 3. So the formula includes integrations for frequency and rate wave vector. This can be simplified. I will show in the next video.